Hey everyone, welcome back to Plumber's Worst Nightmare. I'm Greg, and today we're putting Vevor Copper Pro Press under the microscope to see if it's a bargain or a headache. Press tool comes in a sleek black slim hard case that not only looks professional, but is also functional. Right off the bat, I was impressed by the robust construction of this tool. It feels solid in your hand and has an ergonomic design that provides comfort, especially if you're tackling those larger jobs that require extended use. The manageable weight strikes a perfect balance between durability and maneuverability, making it easy to handle. One of the features I really appreciate are the extended arms. They provide additional leverage, allowing you to squeeze and crimp those fittings with much less effort. This is especially beneficial during tougher tasks. When you're ready to close it up, just make sure the arms are in the open or split position first. Then, it's as simple as squeezing the jaws together to lock in place. Releasing it is just as easy. No complicated steps here. Tool weighs in at about 8 pounds, or 4 kilograms of solid steel, so you know it's built to last. There's nothing loose or shaky about it. It feels super sturdy and high quality in your hands. I was really impressed by the solid feel. It just exudes reliability. Now, while I'm really impressed with the Vevor Copper Press tool, it's worth mentioning that it does have its limitations. This tool isn't really designed for tight spaces, like when it's really jammed up, like right next to a joist or beam. So if you're working in a snug spot, this might not be your best bet. The Vevor Copper Press Tool Kit includes a range of dies that accommodate various tube sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. This versatility allows users to seamlessly crimp copper fittings in different applications. Choose the appropriate die size, take 1/2 of the die and insert it into one of the jaws of the press, then press the button to allow it to slide into place securely. Insert the second die, repeat the same process. Ensure that both dies are properly secured and aligned within the jaws before proceeding with compressing the pipe. Another awesome feature of this tool is that the jaws can rotate a full 360 degrees. This rotating capability makes it super easy to press from different angles, which is a game changer when you're working in tight or awkward spaces. You won't have to struggle to find the right position. Just adjust the jaws to whatever angle works best for you. First, I'm going to roughen the surface lightly with sandpaper to remove oxidation and debris, making sure the area stays smooth and intact. After the surface is clean, I'll cut the pipe to the correct length with a proper copper cutter. Once the cut is complete, I'll inspect the edge for burrs and remove them by rimming the inner diameter for any sharp spots to ensure a clean, square end. With the copper prepared and the edge ready, we'll proceed to install the ProPress coupling for a reliable, leak-free seal. Look how perfectly it locks onto the fitting right away. You can feel it seating in the right position. It definitely takes some muscle to squeeze it, but extendable legs help tremendously, and it's way faster than blazing the pipe. It's a great addition to my tool collection and a real game changer. Will I ever use solder again? Of course, there's still a place and time for soldering, but there are environments, like many offices, skyscrapers, where torch use is restricted for safety reasons. This is definitely worth having. The price is under $120, and I think every plumber should have this in their van. Look how cleanly it pressed in. The joint isn't going anywhere. Now I'm going to demonstrate the Vevor Copper Pro Press tool to show how it works in tight places against a wall. Surprisingly, it crimped that already pressed Milwaukee fitting way tighter, maybe because the tool is manual. That's why it has more leverage to press. I could feel it bite harder, like it wasn't gonna budge. Showed my coworker. He was impressed. Solid for rookies. Pays itself off first day out. Every plumber needs it. It's only under $120. You should gift it to someone special this holiday. Only real downside, in crawl spaces where you're flat on your back, it's almost impossible. Just won't fit. That's understandable. It's built for open spots and semi-tight corners, not belly-down crawls. Easy to operate. Dies rotate 360 for comfy angles. Handles extend for leverage. Comes with 3 die sets. 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. I have the links in my description and in the comments. Let me know what you think about this tool. Please like and subscribe for more tool video demonstration.